Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the Modern Flame CLX2 electric fireplace. The CLX2 comes in multiple different sizes. Those include a 45, a 60, an 80, a 100, and a 144-inch fireplace. Today, we'll be unboxing the 60-inch. The first thing you want to do is inspect your product for damage. Make sure there's no obvious holes or large dents in the box. If there are, please give us a call right away. So let's unbox the product. Being that we're working with a 60-inch model, you'll need a second person to help remove the fireplace from the box. With the fireplace out of the box, you can now remove the rest of the packaging. While unboxing, you will notice a number of different components that come with the fireplace. Those include an installation manual, a remote control, hardware for installation, L brackets for installation, and acrylic media. The last thing you'll notice is on the left-hand side of the fireplace, you have your standard 3-prong plug. And that is everything you need to know about unboxing your Modern Flame CLX2 electric fireplace. If you'd like to know how to install this product, please click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.